James makes 70 bookmarks. He uses 6 inches of ribbon to make each bookmark. How many inches of ribbon does James use to make all of the bookmarks? So we are asking ourselves, if he uses 6 inches of ribbon over and over and over again 70 times, how much ribbon does that use in total? Well, this is multiplication. So we're going to do 70 times 6. Now, a trick when you're multiplying a number to 70 is you just multiply 6 times 7, or 7 times 6. That gets you 42. Now, since it's 7D and not 7, you attach a 2 at the end of it. So this means James is going to use 420 inches of ribbon. And that answer is going to be C.